And that's key here, because we've been through it. And I'm going to tell you some stories. The most important thing is the first 48 hours after an attack. What you do is big, and how you respond to it is key. Number one, you got to assess the damage. You got to decide, what do they have access to? Were they able to encrypt everything? Were they able to reach your backup and delete your backup? Because that's one of the first things hackers try to do. Because if you don't have your data, you're definitely going to pay that ransom. So we got to assess the damage. Then we got to secure the network. Are they still on the network? What are they doing? We want to talk about restoring data, but you can't even start talking about restoring data until you make sure that your network is protected. Because if you start restoring data right away and they're still on your network watching you, well, two things are going to happen. They're going to re-encrypt you because they're still on the network. And now the ransom is a lot more expensive because you've tried to back yourself up. And they know now what you're trying to do and how you're doing it. And all that has to happen before we can even start thinking about restoring from backup. So this is some of the stuff that you have to worry about the first 48 hours. You have to have a plan in place, and you have to understand what the next steps are.